Hey, I'm Palazzo. I'm going to show you about the VRCHaptics controller. So this guy right here. A few things about it. The first thing is the red button right here is the power button. So we click that once to turn it on. And you'll see right here, the blue light will come on to show you that it is active. Normally, the blue light would flash a few times to connect to the Wi-Fi, and when it is connected to the Wi-Fi and the program is running, it'll flash very quickly. To turn it off, you hold for 2 seconds, let go, and there it is. It may continue blinking for another 5 seconds, but it will turn off. So now we'll just go ahead and click that back on, and it will start up again. Awesome, there we are. So now also the channels here starts over here at 1 right above the power button, goes 2, 3, 4 up to 8, then skips over here to 9 and goes down to 16. And that's our 16 channels that we plug the nodes into. So I'll show you that real quick with one hand. There we are, very cool. So that's how the node plugs in, just like that. Of course, we have extensions on that normally. Another piece to show is when you plug this in to charge. And get on with one hand. Nice. There it is. We have the orange light there. The orange light means that the battery is charging. Very cool. Now the last thing to show you is if you hold this button for more than 5 seconds, so 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, and when we let go, you'll see this little blue light flash twice. Turn off. There it goes. Turn off. Another few seconds worth. Turns back on, and it is factory reset. So there we are.